I said I would record making porridge to the puppies. I did not, of course I forgot recording the ingredients, but it's cornmeal, oatmeal, powder milk, cinnamon, clove, brown sugar, yeah, yeah, simmer on low, and then until it comes to a kind of like a medium consistency, not too watery, not too thick, and then with not a sweet flavor, but you know, kind of like a I don't know, the cinnamon, clove, a little bit of brown sugar flavor, healthy. And then in the morning, once it's lukewarm, we mix in a fresh egg into it for them. But yeah, that's their breakfast in the mornings. But I'd boil like a big pot and then keep it in the fridge, and this lasts for about a week. But yeah, I said I was gonna show their breakfast. They're puppies, so we're trying to, you know, strengthen them, build their muscles, make them stronger, like babies, what you give babies for them to grow. But yeah, smells really good. It's healthy. This is what you give babies to fatten them up, you know, make them look good. But yeah, that's their porridge, simmering until it gets to that right consistency, and then I'll turn it off and let it cool. Then I'll put it in the fridge, and then they get a bowl every morning with a fresh egg mixed into it. Fresh, free-range egg from what we get that we have to make sure the mongoose or the yori opossum don't eat. So it's a full circle, right? Yep.